Hello and welcome to our new updated FE Online Diagnostic Assessments. This short walkthrough video will explain how to download and use the online test with your students. Use the Access the Online form button here to open the quiz online. The first thing you'll need to do is click the Duplicate It button found at the top of the page to create your own copy of this quiz, otherwise your students' responses won't necessarily be visible to you. I've already done that, and my copy is here. I can tell it's my copy as it has it written in brackets at the top. Once you've opened your own copy, you can then use the Settings button to customize your quiz. You can set a start date and an end date. You can set a time limit for how long you want your students to have to complete the test. You can customize a thank you message and get email notifications of each response that you get. Once you're happy with the settings, you can then share this with your students so that you can start to collect responses. You do that by clicking the button at the top of the page. If your students have email addresses associated with your organisation, you can click here, and this allows the option of being able to view the names of the respondents. Otherwise, select anyone can respond. You won't necessarily have access to the students' names and their individual responses, but you still will be able to analyse the overall answers of the cohort. When you're happy, you can use the copy link button and send that out, or directly send it via email. When your students have completed the assessment, click the responses button at the top, and this is where you'll get a detailed breakdown of how each question performed, allowing you to identify key topics of strength and areas to work on with your students. We've released the first assessment now, and there are 2 further tests coming very soon, so you'll be able to track your students' progress over time. We've also created an offline version if you prefer to download the quiz yourself, print it out, and have your students sit it in paper-based form. It's under Silver Padlock, meaning that you'll need an Edexcel Online account to be able to download it, and this is to make sure that your students don't get early access of it before sitting the quiz. We really hope these help, and if you need any further support, please don't hesitate to get in touch by contacting our subject advisor for maths, and you can find them at teachingmaths@pearson.com. Thank you very much.